Today I will show you that how you can go ahead and punch a purchase invoice in your transact. So quickly let's go to our transaction module. Now once I will open the transaction module, these are all the list of transactions which will get appeared in front of me. Now I will go ahead and pick the very first purchase transaction which I have created. So I will click on this. Now this is the transaction timeline which will get opened in front of me. So I have received the goods. Now I need to go ahead and punch the invoice, the tax invoice which I have received from the supplier. On your right hand side you will get an option of create document. I will click on that. Now I will get an option of tax invoice here. I will click on the tax invoice option. Now this is the tax invoice page which will get open in front of me. On my left hand side you can very well see the buyer details, delivery location and supplier details. On your right hand side these are the primary document details. So the very first detail is invoice number. So what I will do, I will put the invoice number here because I have made this invoice number manual. You can very well go ahead and define your invoice number in your settings module and you can keep it in auto and manual mode. So I will put the INV 67543. Now the PO number and PO date will be fetched from my purchase order. Going below, I will put the payment date. So the payment date is of 3rd of June. So I will select that. Now going below, I can see an option of inward. So I have taken the inward. Now I wish to go ahead and fetch that inward in my tax invoice. So what I will do, I will quickly click on this. Now here is the inward. I will select it. Once I will select it, please have a look. This inward will get fetched in my invoice. Going below, I will go ahead and see that what item was in my purchase order, what was the quantity delivered and what was the price. You can very well go ahead and define the extra charges, attachment and comment from here. Going below, please have a look. This is the advance receipt voucher. This is the advance voucher which I logged in system. So that is the reason the grand total is 1200, but as because I paid the 600 advance, the amount payable is only 600. Now I will save as draft according to my requirement, or I will go ahead and click on save and send. So here in this scenario I will go ahead and click on save and send. Once I will click on save and send, it will ask me for the confirmation. I will confirm the detail. Once I will click on yes, please have a look. This tax invoice is punched in your transact. Now on your right hand side in the very top corner you can get an option of other action. Simply click on this. You can get an option of print, download attachment, cancel, credit note, debit note and e-way bill. You can go ahead and use these details according to your requirement. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.